Hello friends, how are you today? I hope you are fine. This video, I want to review all topics that we studied in quarter 3 because next week you will have final test. So, are you ready to start? Do you remember what is the first topic that we studied in quarter 3? Yes, there is shapes. There are rectangle, square, circle, and triangle. And the next after shapes, it is solid. Yes, they are sphere, cylinder, cube, cuboid, and cone. Then the next is tessellation. Do you still remember what tessellation is? Tessellation is some shapes that can be used to cover a surface with no gaps and not overlap, such as like this. And these are not tessellation. There are gaps and they overlap. After tessellation, we studied about place value. What is the place value for 25? Place value for 25 is 2 tens and 5 ones. Next, we have addition. Do you still remember how to add the number? For example, I have 15 plus 16. And we count the ones first. 5 plus 6. Can you count it? Yes, there are 11. So we write down the ones first. This is 1 ones and we keep the 1 tens. And after that, we count all of the tens. There are 3 tens. So 15 plus 16 equals 31. The next example is 19 plus 19. So you count the ones first. It is 9 plus 9. Can you count? Yes. It is 18. So you have to write down the ones first. The one is 8 and you keep the tens. It is 1 ten. And you count all of the tens. There are 3 tens. Yes, good job friends. So 19 plus 19 equals 38. And then we studied about subtraction. I have the example subtraction with regrouping. 34 minus 15. How to subtract 5 from 4? Because 4 is smaller than 5, so we have to borrow 1 ten from 3 tens. So borrow 1 ten, you write down like this, and you cross 3 tens. And how many left the tens? Already been borrowed 1 ten? Yes, it is only left 2 tens. You write down 2 tens. And then you count from the ones. 14 minus 5 equals? Yes, 9. And 2 tens minus 1 ten, it is 1 ten. So, 34 minus 15 equals 19. Look, next example, 34 minus 6. How to subtract 6 from 4? Yes, you have to borrow 1 ten from 3 tens. So become 14 and the tens only left 2 tens. So now you count 14 minus 6, it is 8 and 2 tens, you directly write it. So 34 minus 6 equals 28. And this is the solving word problems that we studied on Monday. It is the last topic that we studied. Do you still remember? Okay, I have this problem. Ferry makes 10 glasses of orange juice. Anton makes 8 more glasses of orange juice than Ferry. How many glasses of orange juice does Anton make? So I have the 10 cubes here for represent that it is the 10 glasses of orange juice of Ferry. And Anton makes 8 more. So how many glasses of orange juice does Anton make? You have to add all. So 10 plus 8 equals, we add 0 plus 8 equals 8, and the tens you directly write it. And so Anton makes 18 glasses of orange juice. The next problem is Henry has 19 marbles. Anwar has 7 fewer marbles than Henry. So how many marbles does Anton have? So you have to subtract. Subtract 7 from 19. So you write down with the vertical strategy. 19 minus 7. 9 minus 7, it is 2. And you directly write down the tens. So Anwar has 12 marbles. The last example, Davis lives on the 14th floor. He lives 11 floors higher than Yenny. On what floor does Yenny live? Davis lives 11 floors higher than Yenny. So we can also say Yenny lives 11 floors lower than Davis. So you have to subtract 11 from 14. So count the ones first. 4 minus 1, it is 3. And 1 minus 1, already 0. So Yenny lives in the 3rd floor. Okay friends, that's all for the review. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Good luck for final test.